All right, it's a warm one out today, and what better to share a warm day with than a buddy. We got Eric, first time on the channel. We are gonna hit the creek today. Yesterday we hit the same creek, and we had a great day. It was about 4 or 5 miles away from this, so I'm thinking we should do pretty good. I just saw Yuji and Matt, who went the opposite direction where we're at, so we're gonna try to pick off, and they had a good day too, so we're gonna pick off the opposite direction. The water's just a touch stained, but man, it looks good. The flow is nice. Eric, are you ready to catch some fish, my dude?
Yeah, man.
Let's get some smallies. You guys, I'm going to start off with a spinner. Eric, what are you starting with? You going with the old Helgramooski, or what you got tied on?
Nico Helgramite.
There we go.
On a Z-Man.
Classic.
Oh, yeah.
Classic setup. I'm going to go the moving baits. He's going to go finesse. We're going to see what's working, establish a pattern, and rip some small jaws. Let's hit the water. I don't know if they're guarding a bed. They're not big. They're 9-10 inches, but
3 spots.
There's like 3 spotties right in that V right there. I'll run it over here, see if he chases anything. Yeah. Oh, little greenie. Hey, it's something though. Gosh. Something was on there. Well, we saw a spotted bed bass, but the greenie came by.
Oh, wow.
And he was probably looking for his opportunity.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Really? I got him.
There you go. There you go. There's that spotty. Nice, dude. Well, we saw this guy hunting around. Yeah. Eric said, eat that Helgie.
Yeah.
Munched him up.
Cool lines.
Yeah. It's a pretty fish.
Yeah. See you later, buddy. Yeah.
Sometimes these stubborn bedfish don't bite, but man, when you got a nice Nico Helgie like that. You said it was Z-Man or Helgie? Or a Nico?
Nico on a Z-Man bullet head.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
That's a good looking lure.
I wonder if...
And indestructible too.
Yeah, it's hard to rig these things. I started doing them the night before, but the durability is just...
unmatched.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh gosh, dude, Spotty came up to the bank and almost picked him up. There's another bed over here almost identical to that one over there, right in this little nook. There, you got it. Oh, that was fortunate. There we go. Spotty bass messed his face up. Smallie. Here we go. Hey, how about that? We're half hour in, we got 3 species. That's what I like to see. First little small jaw of the day, a little tenor. Well, we got a green sunny, we got a spotty, a couple spotties, and we got a double up. How about that? Smallie double up. That's what I like to see. Hot day and the fish are still going.
Oh, I think caught before.
There we go. Double ups. All right.
Hey, bud.
Cheers. Man, nice.
I was not expecting that.
Heck yeah. Heck yeah.
Pretty little guy.
Nice.
Lots of colors. And the eyes. Hey, bud. Hey, right there.
I'm kind of surprised that little shady spot didn't give us 1 or 2.
I know, dude. I was holding my breath on that. Like,
oh, just as I said that. Little squeak.
Little squeaker. I was surprised he hit that thing.
Man, that's why you gotta love smallies, man. So aggressive. Even little sausage nuggets. All right, it's time for the game you all know and love. It's time for What's Under This Rock? Oh, first rock, we got a little frog. Look at that, 1 for 1. A little buddy. Taking a little swim here. There we go.
It did the bass.
Nice.
Gliding like a
Heck
saw.
yeah.
Yeah, that's weird. Could there be something in there?
Good catch, dude.
And look at that thing.
Nice.
Pretty eyes.
Let me get you a pic of that one. That's a good one.
Hey, bud.
Nice. This is usually where it starts.
Oh, yeah,
this turn is where it starts getting good. Yeah.
Yeah, I was like, is that a soldier or something? What is this? He jumped till he got up.
There we go. Well, I think we got into him, dude.
As soon as it hit the water, dude.
That feels good. Swimming at me now.
Ooh, it's a nice smallie. That's probably the biggest one.
There we go.
Of the day, dude.
There we go.
Look at that. Dang.
All right. That's the way to get it going. Holy smokes.
As soon as it hit the water.
All right.
Dang, dude.
What are we looking at? Just shy of 16. We got a 15 and a 3/4.
Yeah, no.
Not bad. Nice little chunky. 15 and 3/4. He's got a big old body on him too. See you, bud.
Epic release. It's like,
First cast. I heard that happen. Oh my goodness. Did you switch to topwater too? Yeah. Heck yeah. That's a nice one, dude. There we go.
a mouthful of trouble.
Topwater smallies. Here, you want to throw him in there so you can mess with him in the net. There you go. Look at that thick body on him. Nicely done.
So, tied on to Rico, and as soon as it hit the water, this fish just...
Like literally, I heard it in the background go plop, and then I heard the smash.
and I yelled, "What the heck?" So,
Wow, good fish, dude.
red eyes, man.
Good fish.
Right. It's ready to go. See you, bud. That was graceful.
Good.
So graceful.
Great fish, dude.
Do you think that was the fish that you missed?
It might have been. I don't know. He was kind of ways away. I mean, mine was over in that corner.
Okay.
Yours was over there. There we go. There we go. Topwater, middle of the day topwater, dude. Can you ask for anything better? This is like getting spoiled. Oh, he's running at me. Running at me. Well, this is a good fish, dude. This is a good fish. Another bruiser, dude. He's got a big body on him. I don't know how long he is, but man, that's a
big old tank. I think you for sure have the biggest fish of the day.
wow. Look at him.
Wow.
Let's get a tape on him. Let's see. He's probably
16.
Yeah, probably 16 and a half there. Yeah.
It's close to 17.
16 and a half. Oh. All right, another topwater smallie. Me and Eric both changed the topwater, and it's just like back to back to back. We've had 3 hits here in the middle of the hot day too, which is it's a nice treat to have, and it kind of spoils us. But nice 16 and a half chunky smallie. We're looking for 18s hopefully, but let's let this big girl go. Good wave goodbye.
Wow.
I don't know about you, but this gets me excited. Oh, man, let's go. Yep. Little guy.
Nice fish, dude.
I don't think this is the one that missed me either, so there's another one still out there. Little buzzbait. Little buzzbait smallie. Oh yeah. Now we just gotta rip him out of here with topwater. Ooh, something is getting chased. Come on. Oh no, dude. Get in there. Yes! Oh, he missed you. Holy crap. All right, he's hungry.
He's pissed off now.
He's willing to go for multiple attempts. Oh man, he fleeced us both.
Did you fool him again?
I hope so.
You got some buddies. Get the school fired up.
Yes, got him. Got it. Oh, go! That's a good fish, dude.
Hey, buddy. Doing some gliding.
Oh!
Where do you go?
Dogging me.
Sees the net and he goes, I'm out. Hey, buddy. Fell for the old Rico. Pretty fish. Hard fighter. Fell for the Rico. Let's get a release. Oh, he was ready. There he is.
Oh, look at the bait. The bait fish are popping way down there too in the flats. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, look at the bait. The bait fish are popping way down there too in the flats. Oh man, I'm excited. I'm excited. Oh, come on. What is happening today, dude? This is exciting. Oh man. Gotta love when the bites like this. Get out from that rock. This is a little smaller guy. Man. They are sitting in the full sun too, which is surprising. Midday. They're out here in the sunny stuff and hitting topwater. Two things we didn't expect, but it is happening and we are taking advantage of it. Oh, oh, something getting swirled on, right? There, come on, come on. I don't know what's happening right now, but they are chasing bait fish. Yep, got him. I saw him pop some bait fish up. Oh, they are chasing bait fish up in these shallows is what's happening. Oh, man.
Oh, it broke me off.
No, no. Oh, I saw it. He just jumped with your, I heard it shake. Oh my goodness. Well, here we almost had a double up. Eric broke off. I heard the rattle in its mouth as it took its second jump. Let's let this guy go.
Oh, do you think he spit it by any chance?
No, he's got it in his mouth because I heard the rattle. I heard the rattle.
Ridiculous. You got him all fired up with that buzz bait.
Seriously. Oh, there he is. That's your fish.
That's the one.
That's your fish.
He thinks he's hooked still.
That's your fish.
Oh, I hope we can get that.
Oh,
Get out of his mouth.
come on. Be mad enough to take a bite at something else.
Please be the one.
Dude, if this is him, I will shit a brick, dude. Come on, have a popper in your mouth. Have a popper in your mouth. Is this the one? Is he the one? I don't think he's the one. I don't think he's the one. No, he's not him. We are on a feeding frenzy, guys. This doesn't happen a lot, especially midday with topwater. This is crazy. This bite is absolutely bonkers right now.
Operation.
Wow.
Retrieve the popper.
There we go. Yes! Have a popper in his... Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Hold on, let me get mine in. Oh, get it out of the way. No, I just pulled mine out of the way. Come on, come on. Only a single popper in the mouth, but holy smokes. What is going on right now, dude? We are having a dang moment.
All right, settle down.
Come on, what is going on right now, Eric?
Probably
we are on them.
a dozen of them out there, I bet. Ready? Bye-bye.
Wow. We hit my boot. I felt it. Oh, that's money. Yep. Oh, that's money.
Please be the one.
Oh my goodness. That is a bruiser, dude. Come on. That's a good fish. That's a good fish.
He's dark, man. Did he choke it?
No, he just on the side there. Wow. Eric here with another Rico absolute bruiser.
Look at his mouth. Look at the top of his jaw.
Oh, look at him. He has a kind of goofy jaw, doesn't he? Wow.
Still gotta eat. Dang. They're pretty. Their eyes. Beautiful
That's a
fish.
great fish, dude.
I'm still looking for that one with my lure. Dude, they don't even like splash when you release them. They're so graceful. Oh my gosh.
What is happening right now, dude? We are on one of the best topwater frenzies I think I've experienced on a small creek like this.
It's that grass right there. Yeah. Right in front of us. There's like a dozen.
Yep. This grass line. You can, if we hold it here for a second, I guarantee you we'll probably just see some bait fish popping, but they're pushing all these bait fish up into this shallow. And we're fishing literally probably out there is 8 inches of water. Yeah. Oh, that was sick. That was so sick.
Here, buddy. Okay, look at that. Popper. Not cool, man.
Heck yeah, dude. On that, show us that popper. You've caught quite a few fish on that popper.
Little black one. First one I had was
Tell us what that is.
It's a little Labina Rico.
Nice.
Little feather treble.
Heck yeah, dude. That's money.
Mm-hmm.
That's been money.
Got some bite marks on it, dude.
War wounds.
Mm-hmm. Oh, get off my hand.
Heck yeah. Nice, dude.
All right. Good, buddy.
That's gonna treat to hit on the way back.
Oh yeah.
On our walk back, dude. It'll be even cooler and the sun will be going down. Yep, got it. God, he didn't even let it come back up above the water. Whoa. Oh, did he spit it? No, he's on there. Oh, little guy, little guy. A little smallie on the buzz. Got him. Little guy. Oh. Getting a handful of these 12ers. They are what's chasing all these little bait fish up here. Thank you, bud.
Fish has got a new piercing now.
Yeah, he does.
I think he's finally accepted it because he hasn't jumped.
Yes.
Cool, baby.
There we go. We are in the midst of a topwater annihilation. Oh!
Maybe that was a little rocky.
I don't know. I don't think that was the same one. They are going nuts. They are going nuts currently. Wow.
Pretty red eyes.
What are we in the middle of, Eric?
Slaughterfest.
Slaughterfest 2024.
Fish.
Right out of the riff.
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Look at that. And the leech.
Well, me and Eric both switched up baits. He got the Nico leech. Nice little riffle bite.
Yeah. Right in the pocket.
Let's see that Nico leech you got. Show everybody
Got the
this fantastic bait. Is this
obsidian.
just obsidian? Is that the color?
Yeah.
Nice.
On a owner EWG hook.
Heck yeah, that's money.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Another victim of the leech.
Heck yeah.
On the leech. Or fatty.
Yes, sir. Well, we decided to finally move off of the topwater annihilation zone, move down creek a little bit, and they're eating everything in every zone. It's a day for the ages.
Those big old crawdads, 2 of them.
Oh, look at him, East Fork. What was that?
Frog.
Dude, that was a bullfrog of epic proportions.
Under that rock right there. Oh, it's crawfish, dude. What the heck? Yeah, that's frog under that rock right there.
Look at them lobsters.
East Fork lobster, man.
I'm definitely put it on a t-shirt. Put it on a t-shirt. The East Fork lobster. This is nuts.
What if we just grabbed one and chucked it into the food zone?
Right? Yeah. See what happens. Just look at all these. You think these fish are eating good? You know what? I'm surprised that they're as hungry as they are with all this food. Or that's probably what they're chasing into these little shallow pockets.
Yep. A lot of the crawfish.
Look at it. Dude, there's hundreds. Every little pool is just hundreds of crawfish. Look at them all. Dude, that's wild. Look at them all. And all the bait fish too here. That's what's happening.
Too chicken shit to grab one. I can't grab the craw, dude.
Let's see.
Gonna
All right. Double-tail grub and the Nico leech. Whole new dinner menu for these guys. We were throwing topwater last time we came through. Oh, no way.
He's right there.
No way. Broke me off.
He did?
Yep.
There he is.
Yeah. How many are we going to do that to? Left a piercing in his lip. Well, with old Plop Daddy. The old bone-colored Plop Daddy. There we go. They are still on the topwater. Might have been a sign that we both broke off and got the opportunity to go back to topwater. Cause if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yes, dude. What an eat.
You have my lure?
Are you the one? Wow, that's a better fish, dude. That is a better fish, dude. Wow.
Do you think these guys are lurking in here? It's crazy.
There you go. Eric's got another
Dude,
quality fish on the topwater. Incidentally, we both broke off, and it gave us both the opportunity to tie back on topwater. Wow.
This is so much fun. There he goes.
Got him. Got him.
God, these little ones fight so hard.
I know.
Here, buddy.
Heck yeah.
Like, got some scars.
Oh yeah, he's definitely survival of the fittest.
There you go, bud.
Whoa! That was a bite, dude.
On the paws. That's a good one. Do you have my lure?
Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go?
Hey, buddy.
Dogging me. Good night. Yeah, just pull him in. Wow, that's your fish of the day, I think.
Yeah. That's a nice one. Do not flop.
Right, Eric just ripped a monster. Topwater is still crazy. Wow, 16 and a half bruiser. Look at that fish, y'all.
On the paws. Dang. That's a gorgeous fish, dude. Let's get a release. I had no idea so many of like these 16-inch are just lurking here, dude. Wrong way, bud. Where'd he go? This is ridiculous. Hey, buddy.
Well, Eric said it best. This is ridiculous what is happening right now. Oh, it's just a frenzy like you don't really get to experience very often.
Double up would be so nice right now.
Oh, what a beautiful fish.
Bye-bye. Little slurper. Look at you. You're a feisty guy.
Heck yeah.
Another one on the Rico. Dang. Hey, buddy.
Ooh. God, you gotta love the topwater crush. Man.
Can't put it down. Cannot put it down. Oh gosh. You wanted it. Hey, buddy. Oh, I guess he's going downstream now.
Ooh, you got smacked.
Ooh, he's got spots on him. Alright. Look at that.
There you go.
Got
Heck
the...
yeah. Oh yeah, little melanosis. That's awesome. That's a cool looking spotty or smallie.
Pretty little fish.
Heck yeah.
Hey, buddy. Alright, he's chilling. Slowly walking back to the grass.
This is amazing, dude.
Yeah.
Wow. Get out of the grass. Get out of the grass. Oh, he didn't even get it in his mouth.
Swiped. Nice fish, dude.
There you go. Up in your belly meat. Oh, there we go. Feisty little hungry topwater small jaws.
Oh, you got it. Oh, man!
Oh, you did it! Oh, double up, double up! Oh, come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh, okay, mine got off. Who cares? The star of the show. We got it. We got the elusive Rocky, the river bully. Yes.
Dude, that's a good one.
Yes, dude. We hit the triple. 3 species of bass. There we go. And add another species to our list. There we go. Man, that took all dang day. But we finally got Mr. River Bully.
Go back, buddy. I'm surprised you
Ooh.
ate the topwater.
Yeah.
You did it. Wait, what? I got one?
Ooh.
I didn't even like feel him hit it, dude. I was just like, what the frick?
Oh, sight. You got him. What the heck? He pinned himself. Oh, he must have flipped into it.
Yeah. Because like my popper landed, but it wasn't floating. I thought it was.
He got himself all wired up. Oh, man. Yes, sir.
Little brute.
Butte. Keep him down. Don't jump, buddy. Don't jump. Ooh. There we go.
Take those all day.
All day, every day. There we go. Nice little smallie. Thank you, bud. There you go. Another 13, 14 there. Topwater. Per usual.
Look how cute he is, dude.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Here, buddy. Here you go. Oh, there he goes. He's okay. He's fine.
Oh, buddy.
There you go.
Oh my god, he's so cute. All right, okay.
All right, buddy. Get back there to your brothers and sisters. Feisty. 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 Unhooked himself. All right. All these smallies tonight are just full of energy. No weak bites. Back to back. Oh, that's a better fish, dude. Oh, heck yeah. Scoop him up for you. Ooh.
Mouthful of truffles, buddy. Look at that.
Dude, you might have a, ooh, that might be a 17 there, dude.
You think so?
Yeah, take him. Let's get a tape on him.
That Rico.
Eric just pulled this off the Rico. Look at this.
Dude.
That is a nice fish. That is a nice fish, dude. We're gonna slap a tape to this and see what this measures. If he's bent, I'm calling it 17.
You sure?
Yeah, yeah, absolutely. If we laid him on a flat board, man, he would absolutely get that extra
I think
1/8 of an inch. There we go. Fish of the day, guys. Fish of the day. Our 17. Let's go, dude. Wow. What do you think about your first fishing mission on Matt's fishing mission? That was a heroic mission for me. I know that was incredible. It left us speechless. The topwater was just it was unrivaled.
Yeah, dude.
I've not had many topwater days that came like that, like at midday, like heat of the day. Topwater was just crazy. I don't know, dude. Hopefully the first of many fishing missions that you join me on, Eric. So guys, if you like content like this, hit the subscribe button, leave a comment down below, and like always, we will catch you on the next fishing mission.